Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today we're going to be making a deep cleaning bathtub and shower cleaner. All you're going to need is a cup and a half of heated vinegar. I just put mine in the microwave for about a minute, just until it was warm. You can use any spray bottle that you have, an old Lysol spray, anything that you have. Just wash it out and reuse the bottle. It doesn't have to be a glass bottle like this. Now to this, we're gonna add half a cup of Dawn dish soap. And now we're gonna go spray this on the shower walls, in the bathtub, and we are gonna let this mixture sit in the bathtub for about 2 hours. And we're gonna come back, wipe it off, rinse it out with our shower head, and see how well this actually deep cleans our bathtub and our shower. I'm really interested in this, so let's see how this goes. I'm just going to spray this kind of everywhere. The cool thing about this is the Dawn dish soap actually makes it kind of thicker, so it's actually sticking to the shower walls really nicely. So I'm going to spray the outside of my bathtub too, and I'm going to let this sit for about 2 hours, come back and wipe it off. I was a little worried that letting it sit for so long was going to leave streaks in it, but wiping it off, it actually looks really great. There's no streaks or like water spots or anything, so I'm really excited about that now. I want to see how it works on this soap scum. Oh, that took it right off. That's really awesome. So I'm just going to give the whole bathtub a wipe down with my washcloth and spray it out. But I'm really happy how this actually worked out cleaning. We've got some dirt here on the shelf, and I'm gonna wipe that off too. That came right off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys try this at home shower cleaner, and I will catch you guys in the next one.